In this series of recordings, we'll be showing you how to work with the drilling operation. We'll be showing you how to use it with a spot drill, regular drill, and a tap as well. And we'll touch a little bit of how to use it with a thread mill. Now, taking a look at this particular part, we have many holes, but I'd like to actually concentrate on this set of holes over here, which is an M10 by 125 tapped holes. And we have this on these 4 holes over here, as well as it projected on these 4 holes over here. We'll start the operation of drilling by clicking on drilling, and we have 2 options over here. One with standard drill mode and one with stock recognition mode. At this point, I'm going to use standard drill mode. We'll click on new, and I want to choose my holes. Now, if I were to choose this surface, it will give me all the holes on that surface, but I don't want all the holes. I only want those 4 holes. So let me do undo, and I'm going to go down to my filters, and I'm going to filter it by specific radius. When I choose the radio button of by radius, I'll click on the button by radius and zoom in and pick the top radius of that particular hole over there, which in this particular case, you see when I click on it, it shows it at a radius of 5.025. I'll accept that. And now when I click the surface, it'll only give me those 4 holes. I can go back to the other side over here as well and click on that surface as well. If I were to click, say, on this surface, it won't pick up anything because those holes are not the same as these. I'll just accept this, and then I'll choose my tool. Now, the tool I want to start out with is going to be a spot drill. So I'm going to go for my list of tools and choose a 12mm spot drill that has a cutting length of 6mm. I'll click on select, and in my next recording, we'll start talking about the different options we have inside our levels page.